Sinatra always did it for you. Strangers in the night. Sorry, wrong number. Hey, where are you going? Show hasn't even started yet. Or is it over? Or is it intermission?
I just gotta move for a bit. Gotta cramp.
There she goes, Miss Elias. Hey, did I ever give you my Herbert Hoover doing Shirley Temple doing W.C. Fields?
Yes?
Yes, I would guess. All right, how about Groucho is talking to Verabelli.
You don't have to do this. It's never happened to you before. It was no big deal.
You're telling me. Ring. Hey, get that phone. I'll get it. Hollywood. They need me there, Rosie. Sure, CB, I'm leaving right away. I'll send money. I'll call. Pam, get some air. Do something. Get out. Would you get yourself out that door?
For Christ's sake, Nick, don't quit shutting me out. I want to do something for you.
Well, don't. Don't feel sorry for me. I don't want any of that crap.
Who's feeling sorry for you? You were the only person in that bed, it wasn't working for me either.
So go out. Go for a walk.
I'm not going out.
Well, if you're not going out, then I'm going.
No, if anybody's going out, I'm going out, and I'm not going out, so you're staying here.
What?
At least I got you to shut up. Nick, you don't give me a chance.
A chance to do what?
To do something for you.
Oh, I don't want you to do things for me. I want to do things for you.
Okay, so what am I supposed to do? Go sleep in my locker?
No.
Then what do we do? Split? Go away?
No.
We haven't even started. There are other doctors.
And none of them may have the answer.
How the hell do you...
None of them may have the answer. Listen, Pam, I know lots of people go through this, but lots of them don't get good news. So how are you going to feel with me? I mean with me, if we don't get lucky.
I know how I'm going to feel.
I don't want you to give up everything that you want.
Who else would have given me everything that you have?
I'd never have married you if I knew.
A child isn't worth this.
No, it isn't.
I said I'd fill my life with you. One look and what else could I do? That smile that lights your face washed into every secret place and made me see better me inside of me. And when a gift like that comes through, I ought to thank my stars forever. And so I'll stay with you and fill each day with you, and always know that I'm complete in every way with you.
I said I'd fill my life with you. One look and what else could I do? It only took one touch and somehow you unlocked so much. It made me see a stronger me inside of me. And when a gift like that comes through, I have to thank my stars forever. And so I'll stay with you and fill each day with you, and always know that I'm complete in every way. With you. you do something for me?
What?
Would you please hold me?